Struggling to find the tests list report in Jira? Stop clicking aimlessly. Follow these 5 steps and get your report in 30 seconds. Here is the plan. First, log into your Jira account. Then open your project, head to the reporting center, select Tests List Report, and generate it. So, let us start with the first step. Open your Jira account. This part is straightforward. Just pull up your Jira instance in whatever browser you usually use. If you are already logged in, great. If not, go ahead and punch in your credentials.
I recommend keeping this tab open so we can move through the next steps without any hiccups. It is also a good idea to make sure you have the right permissions on your project. Sometimes if you cannot see the reporting options later, it is because your project role does not have access. But for now, just get into your main dashboard. All right, once you are in, move to the next step. Open your Jira project from the left side panel. You will see a list of your projects on the left-hand side of the screen. It is usually labeled Projects, or you might see your project name directly. Click on the specific project you need the report for. In my experience, this is where people sometimes get tripped up. They select a board or a filter instead of the project itself. Make sure you click the project name, not a saved filter or a backlog view. The project page is your home base for all the reporting tools. Now, click on the Reporting Center at the top bar. Once you are inside your project, look up to the top navigation bar. You will see a few tabs like Backlog, Board, Code, and Reports or Reporting. Click on the one that says Reporting. In some versions of Jira, it might be labeled as Reports, but the idea is the same. This is the central hub where all your report types live. It can feel a bit overwhelming at first because there are a lot of options in here. Do not let that distract you. We are going straight for a specific one. Then click on Tests List Report from the options. You are now in the Reporting Center. On the left side, you will see a list of all available report types. Scroll down until you find the one called Tests List Report. If you are in a cloud version of Jira, it might be under a section labeled Testing or Test Management. Just take your time to scan for it. It is usually pretty clearly named. Click on it to select it. This tells Jira that you want to see a list of all your test cases rather than a chart or a sprint report. Finally, click on Generate Report to create your report. Now, you should see a preview or a configuration screen for the Tests List Report. There might be a filter option where you can choose which version or component you want to look at. But if you just want everything, simply hit the Generate Report button. It might take a moment to process if you have a lot of tests, so give it a second. Once it loads, you will have a clean, organized list of all your test cases right in front of you. And that is it. You went from lost in Jira's menus to confidently generating a tests list report in under a minute. You now have all your tests in one place, which makes tracking your progress and planning your next sprint so much easier. Give it a try on your own project and see how much smoother your workflow gets.